How to buy Brian token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, make sure to take a look on the X account, and to be able to buy this token is by going to their official website. As you can see, this is it. Now just click on buy now and they will redirect you to Uniswap to be able to buy this token. Now as you can see, for here you need to connect your wallet. Now as you can see, this is our token. Now just click on connect. Now select one of these wallets that you use. For example, I use Bitget wallet. Now for that, click on connect. And now as you can see, you will be able now to buy it. Just select the token that you want to buy with. For example, make sure to select the base because this token is under the base network, as you can see from here. Now after that, ensure how the token that you want to buy with. For example, if you are fine with USDT, just click USDT or like this. Check this and click continue. Now as you can see, ensure how much you want to buy for like that, and this is how much you will receive for that token. So because I don't have any USDT on my wallet, as you can see, I can't find here this buy. So for you will see buy here and just click on it and buy this token. Now to be able to add it to your Bitget wallet and buy it from there, you need to fill your Bitget wallet with USDT. Now I will show you how to add it to your Bitget wallet or any wallet that you use, and to be able to buy it from your wallet. Now just go to CoinMarketCap, as you can see, and find the token. Now go to contracts and copy the token address. This token address is under base network. Now open your Bitget wallet or any wallet that you use. Now just from here, now select your network. The network has a base, as you can see. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address from here. Now for a few seconds you will see the token here. Now click on plus to be able to add it to your wallet. Now go back. Now after that, search for your wallet. As you can see, this is our wallet. Now click on swap, and now as you can see, click here to switch this and select here the base, as you can see, and select the USDC or USDT, for example USDT. Now click on how much you want to buy. So before that, you need to fill your Bitget wallet by USDT to be able to buy this token. Now after that, you can click on buy and you will be able to buy this Brian token. So if you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.